Hello, welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified. Please, if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button by this side of the screen. Also hit the bell icon so that whenever we update you on the information that you need, you always be the first to get them. Neco has recently released their results, and most of us are confused as to the web address for checking this result. This is the new website where you can check the Neco results. You can just hit on your address bar results.neco.gov.ng. So that's where you can check out the results for Neco results.neco.gov.ng. And there are two cards available in the market, the old card and the new card. Make sure you get the new card, because with the new card you can easily check. You feed in your exam year. You can see 2019 is already available here. Exam type, if it is May June, which is the most recent, then your token, which is the card number, then your registration number, then you can check your results. You can also purchase the pin online via this point. So you can do this to check your results for Neco, result.neco.gov.ng. Please, if you like this video and any of those that we've been dropping, please click the like button, give us thumbs up, share it so that your friends can see them, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, so that anytime we drop videos you can see them. If you have any questions and concerns, drop them in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.